Hello everyone. In our last session, we explored lexical semantics, wherein how words carry meaning we explored. And today we will take a step further and see how words are connected to each other through meaning. These are lexical relations among lexemes and their senses, or simply lexical relations. So, what are lexical relations? Words in a language are like nodes in a web, each linked to other node by meaning. Lexical relations describe these links. They help us understand patterns like similarity, opposition, and inclusion among words. Major types of lexical relations are listed over here. Here are some of the main types of lexical relations we will explore. Each one of them shows a different way in which words and their meanings are related, like synonymy, antonymy, hyponymy, moronymy, polysemy, and homonymy, and so on. Let's explore them one by one. So, synonymy is similar meanings. Synonymy means similarity in meaning, in other words. So we often say big and large, meaning the same, what we think. And they do actually in many cases, but not always. You say a big mistake, not a large mistake. And so even synonyms can differ slightly on tone or usage. Next is antonymy or opposite meanings. Antonymy represents contrast. Some opposites are gradual, like hot versus cold, while others are absolute, like alive versus dead. And these oppositions help define meanings by difference. And another one is hyponymy, which is a relationship. So hyponymy is a kind of relationship. A rose is just a flower. A cat is a kind of animal. And these relations help us organize concepts hierarchically by like branches under a large category. Then next comes meronymy, which is part of a whole script. Meronymy is a part whole connection. If wheel is part of a car or finger is part of a hand, that's meronymy. It helps models how we understand complex objects and their components. Next comes polysemy. One word related meanings. Polysemy happens when a single word has multiple related meanings. For example, head can mean the part of the body, the leader of an organization, or the top of a table. All are linked by the concept of meaning at the top. We have homonymy again. Same form, unrelated meanings. So homonyms are trickier here. The meanings are completely different. When you say bank, you could mean a place to save money or the side of a river. These meanings are not connected at all. The lexical network. So all these relations together form what we call a lexical network, a web of interconnected meanings. And this is what tools like WordNet used in NLP to help computers understand word meanings in context. So let's summarize. Lexical relations show us that word meanings are not isolated. They live in a connected system where every word gains meaning from its relation to other. Understanding these links helps both linguists and machines interpret language more intelligently. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how lexemes and their senses are related. Let's open the floor for your questions and thoughts in the form of comments on this video. Thank you for watching.